Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how I make more by working less. Right? Sounds very sketchy, but this is how I got to the point where I'm working less in my business right now and I'm actually producing more and I'm getting more done. Right? Before I used to work like 120 hours a week in my business. I was managing ads like $500,000, $700,000 per month in ad spend all by myself because I didn't trust anyone else to manage my ads. I basically burned myself into the point where it's like I just hated the ads. But it got me kind of like to the point where it's just like, okay, I have to find someone who would help me with this. By the way guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. You want to be able to delegate and give out those responsibilities to other people, because if you're just pushing yourself, there's only so much you can do. Sometimes you can hire like too early, but also I was hiring too late. If you're still like very hands-on in your ads, in your fulfillment, in your support, like whatever areas of your business, start thinking who you can bring on board that would take that area of responsibility from you, who can become a team leader in that specific division of your company, so then you can focus on the higher level tasks. Number two is creativity, right? Because if you are burning yourself into the ground, like what you will notice is that some of my best ideas, for example, they came when I was like outside or when I was like traveling, like it wasn't like in a working environment, right? Some of the best ideas. So what you have to think is your creativity kind of like a battery. If you kind of like every day you exhaust it, like because you're working so hard, then there is not much creativity left. If you start thinking how you can bring like more different activities to your day, right? Maybe you can go for a walk, maybe you can go on bicycle, maybe you can go swimming, maybe you can go play tennis. Now you can start producing a lot more like creative ideas, because one great idea is what can take your business from like 6-figure level to 7-figure level, or like 7-figure level to 8-figure level. Just allow your brain to go free and brainstorm, then you start generating these very, very profitable ideas. Hey guys, people have been asking me how we scale to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook. And we have a very sophisticated solution for this that I want to share with you, but it's just like too valuable to give away for free. So if you guys want this solution, just book a call with one of my team members and we'll show you exactly what it is and how it works, and we'll see if that's a good fit for you and for your business. So just book a call with my team member. We'll share it with you so you can scale your business to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook, without having inconsistency, and with high profitability. So just book a call with my team and I'll see you there. Number 3 is clarity, right? So if you're working like 100 hours a week, again, there's nothing wrong with working 100 hours a week, but it's like it has its like pros and it has its cons, right? You might get more stuff done. You might just get that competitive advantage because you're working harder than your competitor, but long term, it's not sustainable. If you're working those like long hours, in terms of the clarity, right? Your mind, especially maybe you're not getting enough sleep, like all of those things compile, right? Even not drinking enough water on a daily basis, right? All of those things compile and then makes your brain like blurry, right? You cannot focus on a specific task. You're not clear enough, you're very blurry, and you're not focused. I have like specific hours when I'm working, then specific hours when I'm relaxing and recovering, and I have some procedures, like I have the physiotherapy, I have the massage. So all of these things kind of like help me to be more creative overall, right? So if you start thinking from that perspective, you start adding things into your life and also removing some things that make you exhausted. I want to connect, mastermind, and network with 6, 7, 8-figure entrepreneurs. Join our free community on Facebook, which is called Brand Hypergrowth. It's for only entrepreneurs who are already doing at least $30,000 or more in sales per month and want to go to 7, 8 figures. So you can connect, you can network, you can mastermind, you can exchange insights and value with these guys and take your business to the next level. So there should be a link in the description. Make sure you join today. And number 4 is focus. You have 24 hours in a day, and I have 24 hours in a day. And then let's say Mark Zuckerberg has like 24 hours in a day, right? But there is at the same time, there's a lot more that they could, like Mark Zuckerberg can produce than I produce or you produce, because they have a focus, right? Like, and they have people in key positions in their company, so then they can be responsible for like highest level strategic decisions. If you start thinking kind of like higher and higher level decisions, and you start eliminating this lower level stuff by forcing yourself to work less in your business, you just like forced to kind of like get those things done just in a smaller period of time. So now you're forced to delegate. This is how you get the progress. This is how you like absolutely blow up your output, because in entrepreneur, let's say like CEO, like what's important is the output, right? How much you can produce. If you manage your ads like all day long, there's only so much you can produce. Let's say you can produce like $50,000 in sales, right? But then if you train the media buyer that can do exactly the same work that you do, that same media buyer can produce, let's say, $50,000. Now, which task has more leverage, right? Obviously, training the media buyer, right? Because now that media buyer can do that again and again and again, and you can do some other things. You know, one experiment that you can do is just force yourself to work less. Some specific time of the day, just turn off everything, turn off your phone, turn off your laptop, and just go for a walk and relax. And now you force yourself to do that, and now next day you will be recharged, you can get more stuff done, and you can produce a lot more. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm curious to see your thoughts. I'm reading every single comment, so make sure you comment, let me know what you think, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.